Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the photo book that I got from the Yoicon PH 2018 convention. It happened in March when Phil Mizuno, Barrymore Cosplay, and Joel Minas cosplayed for Yuri and Ice. I bought the photo book for 1,500 during the event, and I only made the unboxing or the video now. I know it's a little late, but here we go. It's called Wild Heart by Phil Mizuno. The photo book, mostly it's for his Beast cosplays. Yeah. And I had it signed when I attended the Yoicon after party. Beast from Beauty and the Beast. I also attended the meet and greet session, and I gotta say that Phil has wonderful personality. He's very approachable and he caters to a lot of their requests, especially when there was the individual photos. This one is for Naruto. I love this cosplay. Oh my god. The dog is barking. Sorry. Everything is so neat. Yeah? And I remember that he mentioned that these pictures are the one that is his favorite. He's such a boyfriend. Koga. This is a photo shoot that is very emotional. I read it in one of his posts. Nisha. I love this cosplay. Perfect. And that's the last one. Thanks for watching.